What's good? It's Josie's finest, and this is What's the Move.
Evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's not evening. Good afternoon, ladies. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Josie's finest.
Welcome to What's the Move, the series where we play football and review restaurants. Are you ready for today? Let's get into
What are our
it.
rules for today?
So for today's challenge, we're going to be taking penalties. You know how it goes. 3 penalties, then sudden death.
So this is kind of like a continuation from the last one. And to start us off, we got Tando taking the first penalty. Let's get into it.
Meal ticket, come on, still in my bag, feel this went out in California. The blow is good, the hoe is good, the show is good, you know it's scrub. Cool as me out front, then can't cool stoking folk, you know it's love. Clean as Taivy, no head and shoulders, ho, you know it's scrub. Shout out to my kinfolk, just got on that Coca-Cola scrub. Watch my pole fall in my go-kart, this my getaway as fuck. In my hood, we call it book, fuck about what you think of me. All my hoes be nines and dimes, all she want is chicken grease. All you know is what your mammy taught you about the surface. Get your meal ticket, come on. Still in my liver, real niggas in my condom. Feel hit me back, feel this one with a powder pack. Pill bring me back, feel this one out in California. Meal ticket, come on. Still in my liver, real niggas in my condom. Feel hit me back, feel this one with a powder pack. Pill bring me back, feel this one out in California. The trunk was for the rappers, long the cop was cool, we smoking peace. Ain't we them to move an ATM, might buy the atrium. Where you say, Highway 58, in my cousin's house. Nowadays I like to bring my nephews and my budget out. I come from where you can't suck my dick and leave my cousin out. In my hood we call it clout, fuck about what you think of me. All my hoes be nines and dimes, all she want is chicken grease. All you know is what your mammy taught you about. Meal ticket, come on. Still in my liver, real niggas in my condom. Feel hit me back, feel this one with a powder pack. Pill bring me back, feel this one out in California. Meal ticket, come on. Still in my liver, real niggas in my condom. Feel hit me back, feel this one with a powder pack. Pill bring me back, feel this one out in California. Today was a keeper. I lost my heroes a long time ago.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just want to give a big thank you to Quadra for showing up today. We appreciate your presence. It's been a great ride. And
It's a pleasure to have you.
great ride, thanks. And to commemorate you, just to give something back for all the time you've given us, we got an official Josie's Finest t-shirt for you.
This is nice.
Yes.
This is nice. Oh, fancy. I've never even got this.
Yeah, the
Alright.
Josie's Finest place.
Y'all could never. Y'all could never.
Yeah, it might be a bit small.
Hey, yo.
Tiny bit.
It's the thought that counts, okay? It's the thought that counts.
Now we've got bigger ones, don't even stress. So cheers. It's nice.
I choose.
Yeah, so I lost, which means I'm going to be doing a forfeit. So yeah, let's get to that right now. Let's go. So this time around, we decided to order from a restaurant. The restaurant in question, Chicken Run. Let's see how the boys felt about it.
See my fist, I'm a killer now. Just think, bullshit, you gotta filter out.
So basically, we got some chicken, right? So let's see what it's all about. You ready, Jess?
Yes, sir.
So I forget, right?
Different thing.
Yeah, those are wings. These are drumlets, they call.
I mean,
That is the.
average. I'll give it
This seems like no
6 out of 10.
But it's nothing special.
Yeah, no.
I bet I can make these at home. Especially. It's nice, but like, is it worth the money?
Nah, it's not worth it. Spend $50 on these. Nah.
I feel like we should deep fry it.
Yeah, but because other places don't spend, but this is it's kind of basic.
It's very basic.
They try to get away with the bed and
No, what is whoa? I need bloody dog. Scoop this in, bro. It's got some blood around that, bro. It's really.
I have to be honest, I give it 5 out of 10.
I give it a 5 too. I'll give it a 6 because I like chicken. What's this?
those are drumlets. Is what they call it.
I have to be honest.
She's terrible.
Exactly, it's like a 5 out of 10.
It tastes like salt.
Oh jeez.
Just salted on the bed. Deep fried and salted.
I don't know if I want to finish that.
It's like you could have made
Yeah,
it at
that's
home.
not healthy.
No, I'm just hungry.
dog.
If you're hungry, you can eat this.
Yeah, to be honest with you, it's
It's a waste
If
of
you
money.
say chicken run, then run.
Even if you're hungry, guys, I don't think it's worth your money. Just wait. Just wait your extra 5-10 minutes drive to your nearest KFC, even near McDonald's or something.
Or like a chicken leg and salt and
Like 15 wings for like, I don't know, 50 rand, I guess take it. But like,
dog. 15, this should be 10 rand.
This should be
50 rings, 10 rand.
They should be paying you to eat this. Make it sound like they
People
poison
actually
you.
enjoy this.
Listen,
No one. What place is this?
Chicken
Run.
run.
This should just close down.
That's like right. Come on.
That's a 3.6 for me. 3.6 is the
Ooh, my nigga.
It's a 4 for me. I'll just leave
That's
it
Uber Eats.
because I like chicken.
he said people.
Uber Eats, yeah.
In conclusion, if you want good wings, this is not the place for you. Yeah, go find another spot.
Dog, if you want food, don't go here.
No, that chicken leg. Get that chicken leg. That's what I'm saying.
Chicken run, it's not the one.
Hey man, that's, I'm just really bragging that is.
Yeah.
Till next time.
They haven't witnessed my presence.
Your presence is not like.
They haven't witnessed my presence.
They haven't seen him.
Yo, imagine we did it record. Yo, dog, that would be rough.
I'm here with Marisi.
No, wait, quite relax. These are like the bloopers.
How many names I watched this vlog?
And that concludes another episode of What's the Move. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.